Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify Collabs, the easiest way to connect with influencers, creators, and brand ambassadors to grow your store. Whether you're just starting out or already have a solid audience, Shopify Collabs can help you boost your marketing and sales through authentic creator partnerships. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to the Shopify App Store and install the Shopify Collabs app. It's completely free and built by Shopify, so it integrates perfectly with your store. Once you install it, open the app from your Shopify admin dashboard to start setting things up. When you first open Shopify Collabs, it'll guide you through a simple onboarding process. You'll fill in some basic details about your brand, what you sell, your target audience, and what kind of creators you want to work with. This helps Shopify recommend the best matches for your business. Next, you can set up your collaboration application page. This is a public page where creators can apply to work with your brand. You can customize it with your logo, brand colors, and a short description of what kind of partnerships you're offering, like gifting products, affiliate commissions, or paid collaborations. Once that's set, creators can start applying through your application page. And you can also browse the Shopify Collabs Creator Marketplace to find influencers that match your niche. You'll see details like their follower count, engagement rate, and the platforms they're active on. When you find someone you want to work with, you can send them an invite directly from the dashboard. Now let's talk about how the partnerships actually work. You can choose to send free products for creators to review, or you can set up an affiliate commission system. Shopify Collabs lets you generate unique affiliate links or discount codes for each creator, so you can track exactly how many sales come from their promotions. All this data appears right inside the Collabs dashboard. Super easy to monitor performance and see which creators are bringing you the best results. Once collaborations are live, you can manage everything from one place: communication, payments, product gifting, and performance tracking. It keeps things organized and saves a ton of time compared to managing influencer campaigns manually. And that's it. You now know how to use Shopify Collabs to find, connect, and collaborate with creators who can help you grow your store. It's one of the most powerful free tools Shopify offers, especially if you want to build authentic brand partnerships that actually drive sales. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and drop a comment below if you've tried Collabs yet or plan to start using it soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.